Welcome back to our gardening channel. We're thrilled to have you join us once again. Today, we're going to take you through the exciting journey of growing a cucumber plant in just 15 days. From planting the seeds to watching them sprout and flourish, we'll cover every step of the process. Whether you're a seasoned gardener or a complete beginner, this guide is perfect for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more gardening tips. Your support helps us create more content to inspire and guide you in your gardening adventures. Let's get started. #gardening, #shorts, #trending, #viral, #YouTube shorts. Grab your gardening tools and let's dive into the world of cucumbers. Happy gardening! Day 1. We're starting with planting cucumber seeds in well-draining soil. Make sure to plant the seeds about ½ an inch deep and water them lightly. Keep them in a sunny spot for the best results. It's important to choose a location that gets at least 6 to 8 hours of sunlight each day. The soil should be rich in organic matter to provide the necessary nutrients for the seeds to germinate and grow. Regularly check the moisture level of the soil, ensuring it stays consistently damp but not waterlogged. This will help the seeds sprout and develop strong roots. Day 2 to 3. Just a couple of days in and our seeds are already germinating. You can see tiny sprouts pushing through the soil. Keep the soil moist but not waterlogged. Day 4 to 6. Our seedlings are growing fast. The first true leaves are appearing, and they're reaching for the sunlight. Remember to rotate the pots to ensure even growth. Day 7 to 10, rapid growth phase. The plants are getting taller and bushier with each passing day. At this stage, consider adding a support stick to help them grow upright. Day 11 to 13. Exciting developments. Flower buds are starting to form, indicating that cucumbers are on the way. Ensure the plants get plenty of sunlight and keep the soil consistently moist. Day 14 to 15. Beautiful flowers are blooming on our cucumber plants. These flowers will soon turn into cucumbers. Keep an eye out for pollinators, or you can hand pollinate to ensure fruit production. What an amazing journey! Witness the magic of nature as we embark on a 15-day growth process. From tiny seeds to blooming flowers in just 15 days, the transformation is truly remarkable. Watch as these tiny seeds sprout and grow into vibrant, healthy plants. Cucumbers are not only easy to grow but also incredibly rewarding. With just a little care and attention, you can see them flourish at every stage of their growth. Stay tuned for more updates as our cucumber plants continue to grow and produce delicious fruits. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring you have a bountiful harvest to enjoy. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and share it with fellow gardening enthusiasts. Happy gardening! #gardening, #shorts, #trending, #viral, #YouTube shorts.